In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to actually make a game pass in Roblox Mobile. Make sure to watch this video till the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by actually going to your Roblox app, but since you can't actually make the passes in-app, you're going to go to Safari or Google Chrome on your phone and go to roblox.com. When you click on Create, it'll take you to this page, and sometimes it doesn't work to take you to the actual page. So you're going to go to your URL and type in create.roblox.com. And it should take you to the proper page. Now, since it takes me to this page, you're then going to click on Your Public Experience. Then, you're going to click on the 3 lines and associated items. You'll then be taken to here where you can create badges and passes. You can now click Create a Pass, and you'll be prompted to upload an image, which I'm going to do so. I'm just going to take a random photo. You're going to name it whatever you would like and describe it also. Once you're done doing that, you're going to click Create a Pass, and your pass should now be created. If you want to actually put it on sale, you're going to have to click the pass and then click on the 3 lines, click on sales and check it for sale and put whatever price you would like, just remembering that Roblox takes 30% of your earnings. Once the changes are saved, your Game Pass will be available in your Roblox Mobile. And that's all there is to it. Make sure to hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.